Hello student, this is your Shaktivel Max teacher. Welcome to Vidyalakshmi YouTube channel. Today we are going to start MCQ question from chapter number 1, real numbers. So from the real number, only MCQs and 1 marks. It contains maybe fill in the blank or whatever. We'll see one by one. Okay, right. First question, they are given, explain why this number is a composite number. First, what is composite number we must know. Composite number in the sense it contains more than 2 factor is called a composite number. Am I right? That we should know. So composite number in the sense more than 2 factors. Here you see the number end with 5. End with 5 in the sense definitely it will end with 5 as well as 1. So there is a factor 1 and 5. So that it has 2 factors. But the definition is more than 2 factor. No. We can take the whole number again. 1, 5 and itself. So there is a 3 factors now. Third one is itself, the same number. 1, 5, another number is the same number itself. So composite number in the sense, a number consists more than 2 factor is called a composite number. So definitely it is composite number because there is more than 2 factor. So yes, it is composite number. Composite number because it contains more than 2 factor. Okay. It contains more than 2 factor. So that is the concept. More than 2 factors. That is the concept. Okay. So what is the more than 2 factors? 1, 5 and itself. These are the more than 2 factors. Okay. Now we'll go to the second question. Calculate HCF of the 2 number is given. 3 power 3 into 5 and 3 power 2 into 5 power 2. 2 numbers it's given. Let's see one by one. First, HCF in the sense, the definition is what? Product of common powered number. The definition is product of common powered number. See, HCF which is equal to common power. 3 power 3, 3 power 2. So, common power in the sense, we have a 3 power 2. In 3 power 3, there is a 3 power 2 into 3. Like that we can say. So, or else if you not understand that common power in the sense, product of least common powered number. Least, smallest powered number you take. Smallest powered number 3 power 2 multiply. Here smallest power, here 5 power nothing is there, you consider as a 1. So 5 power 1, 5 power 2. So there is a smallest power 5 power 1. So you just simplify this. This will be 9 and 5. 9 5s are 45. So HCF of these 2 number is a 45. Understand? Right. We are going to the third one. We'll go to the third one. Third one. There is a same given HCF. See, HCF is given and LCM is given. See, LCM they are given 5. This is sorry HCF. HCF given 5 and LCM given. LCM is given what 63 into A. So HCF is given, LCM is given. Then what they are asking to find? Find the A value. In the LCM, one number is unknown number is given in the multiplication. There is a 2 number now. This is A and that is B. A, B is given. As per the formula, product of the 2 number equal to product of HCF and LCM. This formula we know. You must know this formula. Okay. This is possible only for 2 numbers. 2 number is given. Product of LCM and HCF which is equal to product of 2 number. As per that rule, let me use A value 35 and B value 45 which is equal. HCF 5 multiply. LCM they are given 63 multiply A. You want to cancel this? That's it. You just cancel this. Here 1 5s are 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. We can cancel like this directly. And next you see 1 9s are, how many 9s are 63? You will be getting 7 times, I'm right? You just write 7. Okay. Next what I am getting? 1 7s are. 1 7s are, how many 7s are 35? 5. Therefore 5 equal to I am getting A. So the A value is 5. Value cancellation, you should be careful with this. That is very important. Next, we have a fourth one. Write whether the rational number 7 by 35 will have terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. See, without dividing this, we can say it. Without dividing it, we can say it by using the denominator. The denominator contains only 2 power m and 5 power n. We can say it is terminating. It's a terminating. Other than, we have to say it's non-terminating and repeating. That is very important. Before going to one question, you must know the definition of that proper thing. Here, terminating, what is terminating you must know. What is non-terminating you must know. Terminating in the sense, in the form of P by Q, Q means that denominator consists 2 power m and 5 power n. That too is important. These two consist, then we can say it's a terminating, or else we are going to say it's a non-terminating. So you just take only 75, you take a prime factor for this. Okay, whether it is consists of only 2 and 5, we'll be checking. Okay, other than 2, we have to say non-terminating. Okay, right. First I'm going with the 5, 1 5s are 5, remaining 2. So 25, no? So 5 5s are 25. Again 5 table I'm going. 3 5s are 15. 3 is there, so 3 1s are 3. After taking all the prime factor, see the prime factorization consists of 3 in denominator. It means 7 divided 75 I am writing 5 power 2 because 5 coming 2 times. So I am writing 5 power 2 multiply 3. So 3 is consist. What I said, only 2 and 5 should contain the denominator. But here 3 is coming. So that what you will say, that given thing is non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion. Okay, this is what? Non-terminating and decimal expansion. That you want to say. Okay, right. We'll see. So question number 5, 95, write 95 as product of its prime factor. So they are asking 98 in the prime factor we have to write. Already in the previous question we saw the 75 we have written in the prime factor, I am right. The same manner we have to go. That's it. See, first you write 98. Let's go with the prime factorization. The last number end with 8, no, that is even number. So definitely it will divisible by 2. So 4 2s are 8, remaining 1, 18. 18, there is a 9. So 49. 49, it's a perfect square, 7 square. So 7, you will be getting 7. Again, if you are doing 7, 7 I am getting. So 98, I am writing as 2 into 7 into 7. You search in the option. If it is there, you write, or else next 2 into 7 coming double time, no? So you can write 7 square. 2 into 7 square you can write. 2 into 7 square you can write. Understand? So this is the thing. Write 98 as product of its prime factor in the sense, you can do like this. Okay. Next one, if P and Q are two prime numbers, they said P and Q are a prime. P and Q are, they are telling it's a prime number. It's a prime number, they are telling clearly it's a prime. Okay, we'll see now. After prime, what is the HCF? See, prime number always, there is no common number other than 1. If you are taking any prime number, you take any prime number, 2 and 3 you take. Suppose P value 2 and 3 in the sense, there is no common number other than 1. So it's a definition. If it is a 2 prime number is there, what is the HCF of these two in the sense? We have to say 1. We have to say the HCF value is 1. Suppose if they are asking LCM, product of the prime number. If they are giving 2 prime number, if they asked the HCF, always 1. You remember, it's always 1. LCM if they are asking, product of the prime number. Okay, that's it. Now we'll go to the question number 7. We'll see question number 7. Yeah. Question number 7. Here they are given, see, A and B are relatively prime. See, we saw the previous question are prime. It's relatively prime. What does it mean by relatively prime? First, you must know what is relatively prime. Relatively prime in the sense, it's a co-prime. Co-prime, relatively prime, both are same. Understand? See, prime number in the sense, there is no common factor, 1, other than 1, we can say. It's a prime number. Both are prime number. Okay, both A and B are prime number. Here, it never other than 1 and itself, there is no factor. It's a prime. Co-prime or relatively prime in the sense, it has a some factor also. More than 2 factor also, it contains. When you take 2 number, like 10 if I am taking, 11 I am taking. See, the 10 and 11. 10 is not a prime, but 11 is a prime. 10 has 1, 2, 5 and 10. These are the factor for 10. But 11, it's a prime number, no. Which 2 number, there is no common factor other than 1. That we can say it's a relatively prime. Some other number also we can take. 9, it's a perfect square. Okay, and 16, it's a perfect square. Both can be, non-prime number. But see, there is no common factor for this. So these also we can say relatively prime. Relatively prime in the sense, these 2 number, there is no common factor other than 1. But the numbers need not to be a prime number. The number need not to be a prime number. See, 9 not a prime, 16 not a prime, but these together there is no common factor other than 1. So that 9 and 16 we can say relatively prime. So here they are asking what is the HCF? HCF in the sense the common factor they are asking. Now only I said relatively prime in the sense there is no common factor other than 1. So what will give answer for this? 1. Okay, if they ask HCF, we have to give 1. That's it. You must know the definition. Then only you will be getting ideas. Understand? Right. Now I am going to question number 8. Two numbers have 12 as HCF, 350 and as their LCM, true or false. See, they are asking two numbers have 12 as their HCF. Two number is there. We don't know what is the number. The two number we can take some number A and B. A and B. The A and B can be any number, 3 digit, 2 digit or whatever. Okay. So that two number as HCF 12 here. 12 is the HCF. Okay. And 350 as their LCM. They are asking 350 as their LCM. Is it true or false? One number as HCF 12. I mean the two number as HCF 12. The same number LCM 350 can possible or not they are asking. So see one condition is there. LCM divide HCF, always remainder is 0. It means HCF is a factor of LCM, I'm telling. You must know this. Okay, HCF is a factor of LCM. It means LCM and HCF when you divide, you will get a remainder 0 always. 0. So let me check this 350, LCM 350 and here 12. When you cancel, it will be dividing in the sense, I mean accurately. Exactly, it will be dividing. Yes, it's a true. You have to say. It's not dividing. Remainder not equal to 0 if you are getting. We have to say, no, it's not. Like that. Do you understand? Let me go with the division. So 350 you take and this will be 12. Okay. 2 12s are 24. When you subtract, I am getting 1. Here 1, 1, 1, 0. Here, see, 110 I am getting. If I am going with 5 time, what I am getting? See, 5 time. 5 12s are 50, 60 only I am getting. Then I will go with 60, 120 you will be getting. We'll go with, instead of going 9, we'll check. 9. 9 2s are 18. It's not coming. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. It's not coming. It's not coming. So, we have to say it's a false. Reminder, I'm not getting 0. What I'm getting here? 2. 2 I'm getting, which is not equal to 0. Okay, which is not equal to 0. Which is not equal to 0, we have to say false. The statement is false. Understand? Right. We'll go to the next question. Question number 9 and 10. These together we'll see now. Okay. Right. See, they are asking in question number 9, exponent of 2. Exponent of 2 in the prime factorization 144. 144 they are given as a question. In the 144, what is the exponent of 2? That we have to find. First you take 144, we have to divide this. I mean, we have to make a prime factorization. So first 2 you take, what I am getting, 7 2s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. Again when you divide by 2, 3 2s are 6, remaining 1 6. Again 2 in the sense 1, remaining 1 8. 18 in the sense 2 times 9. So 3 times 3 3 9. Again 3 you will be getting 1. So how you will be writing this prime factor? I have a 2, 1, 2, what I am getting 3, 4, 4 times. So 2 power 4 multiply. 3 I have a 2 time, no? So 3 power 2. What they asked? Exponent of 2. So exponent of 2 in the sense, exponent in the sense power. What is 2 power? 2 power 4. So 4 is your answer. So don't say 2 power 4. What is 2 exponent? 2 power, what is the value? 2 power, there is a 4. So 4 is the required answer. 4 is the required answer. Do you understand? Right. Next question number 10 we are going. What is the total? So what is the total number of factors? Prime numbers. Prime number have how many factor? That is the question. I told you, now only in the, what is that one question? Prime number in the sense, it contains 2 factor. What are they? 1 and itself. So how many you want to say? 2. That's it. Do you understand, children? So what is the total number of factors for a prime number? There is a 2 number of factors. 1 and itself. That's it. Do you understand, children? Right. So in next video, I will come with another 10 question. Thank you, children. Stay with the Vidya Lakshmi YouTube channel. Subscribe and share with others. Thank you. We'll see in the next video.